Hey lovelies, welcome back to the Sparkle Party from beautiful Bangalore. I'm Bhakti, your friendly fabric jewelry maker. Today, let's see how this simple step of applying Kundan stones on a fabric is done. So, here I am taking an MDF which is covered with fabric. I have taken this B7000 glue and I am applying it very gently on the border of this circular fabric MDF. So we have to put it very gently and securely so that the glue doesn't go inside the fabric. So if the glue goes inside the fabric, then we can see small patches of the glue which does not look good. So we have to be very careful. So here I am holding the earring base very nicely, safely and securely so that the glue does not touch the fabric. Now let us start fixing the Kundan stones. Now see, the Kundan stones are very small, tiny things and it's difficult to take it, so it's very difficult to stick. So what I am doing here is I have used a small crayon which is easily available. So with the tip of the crayon I am taking Kundan one by one and sticking it on the border of this earring base. So be careful while sticking the kundans because the kundans can fall or it can slip here and there. So you have to be very careful. And you have to maintain the shape of the border. It should not be that one kundan has come down, the other is up, outside, and otherwise the shape will not be proper. Here I am using diamond shaped kundan stone. You can use any shape like drop shape, circle shape, triangle shape, depends on what type of design you are looking for. The only thing that you have to be careful is that the glue should not be lying here and there and the border should be maintained so that we get a proper shape here. So this is my process, my way of doing it. If you have any other ways of sticking these kundans, please let me know in the comments. So if you are looking to buy this type of fabric earrings with kundan stones, you can visit my website fabrity.com. The link is also provided in the bio, or you can WhatsApp me with the details. If you are looking for any customization of fabric colors for these same type of earrings, you can get in touch with me. We provide single as well as bulk orders. Once all the kundans are stuck, then what I'll do is I will keep it to dry for some time. Then I will check whether any of the kundans are wobbling or not, or are they falling down or not. And this way I will check for its quality. So now it's made sure that the quality is good, it will not form and it is ready to dispatch. So now the final kundan stone is stuck. So here is the final look of the kundan stone earring. Please like, share, subscribe and drop me a comment of how did you like it. And this is the speed up process of making of these kundan stone fabric earrings. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.